Magandang umaga po. Ako po si Jazrin Elisaya B. Empanya mula sa Grade 4 SSES Aristotle. Ngayon, papakilala ko sa inyo ang pagkakaiba ng antecedent phrase at consequent phrase. Antecedent phrase ay may tonong pataas at ang consequent phrase ay may tonong pababa. Ito naman ang example ng antecedent phrase. Kagaya ng kantang, "This girl is on fire." She's just a girl when she's on fire. Harder than a fancy, lonely like an highway. She's living in a world but she's on fire. Filled with a catastrophe, she knows she can fly away. Oh, she got her feet on the ground and she's burning it down. Oh. Ito naman po ang example ng consequent phrase. Kagaya ng kantang Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, as pleasant white as snow. At ayun naman po ang pinagkaiba ng antecedent phrase and consequent phrase. Maraming salamat po.